morning. Woy, yo, 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 woy, yo, 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 yo. Yeah, ha, ha. Yeah. Man cannot be satisfied. They always full of greed. Yeah. The more they get is the more they want. From the beginning of time until this time, they cannot be satisfied. They moan and groan for a simple little thing. Not even the Father can please them. If he give them rain, they complain. And if the sun is hot, they moan. If the time is cold, they groan and curse. Jah can't please them, no, 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 no. Jah can't please them, no, 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 no. Jah cannot please them, no, 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 no. Jah can't please them, no, 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 no. They cannot be satisfied. The more they get is the more them want. Give them an inch, them take a yard. Give them a hand, them want a arm. Give them a foot, them want a leg. Jah cannot please them. He don't know how to please them. Jah cannot please them. No, 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 no. Jah can't please them. No, 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 no. Jah cannot please them. No, 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 no. He might as well kill them and get rid of all of them. They have a wife, they want their neighbors too. They have millions, they want your pennies too. Well, well, well. Men can never satisfy, rain or shine.
Bonfire for your mama, bonfire for your dada. Me and the big water tube, we dash water for your fire.
I don't want to, no I don't want to be outside when time is low. I just want to, yes I want to be inside when time is low.
Mount Zion, Ice the lion, Ice the lion. Zion is a beautiful city. Holy Mount Zion is a beautiful city. Zion is a beautiful city. Holy Mount Zion is a beautiful city. It is 4 gates to the city of Mount Zion. 4 gates to the city of Mount Zion. Lord, one to the east, Mr. One to the west. Diddy not the Jenny, I go try your very best. One to the north, Mr. One to the south. Oh, not the Jenny, no one can show you out. Mount Zion, Mount Zion. Man go there, man go there, man go there, me go and go there. He see me to the land of happiness and black understanding. My brother just love up my brother, I know. And my sister just love up my sister, I know. One black love and understanding as I would see. Cause all you ask of us is love. Is that we love one another. Like sisters and brothers. Love we mothers and we fathers. And we auntie and we uncle. And we cousins and we cousins. Now you come to telling me that you're burning fire and your brother. You must be the one bag of wire. You come to set the place on fire. To burn up his brothers and his sister. Don't even mention one who call herself Madame Bouchette, who gave away Marcus Garvey. Blood fire burn, blood fire burn, blood fire burn, and make the wicked man run. Blood fire burn, blood fire burn, blood fire burn, and make the wicked man run. Mount Zion, Mount Zion, Ice the lion, Ice the lion. Zion is a beautiful city. Holy Mount Zion is a beautiful city. Zion is a beautiful city. Holy Mount Zion is a beautiful city. It is 4 gates to the city of Mount Zion. 4 gates to the city of Mount Zion. One to the east, me say one to the west. Who me not to get me, I go try my very best. One to the north, me say one to the south. When me get it, no one can chew I out. Mount Zion, Ice the lion. Man go there, man go there, man go there. Have to go there, me have to go there. Man go there, man go there. He take me to the land of happiness and black understanding. Lord mercy, we don't sleep in no one black love now.
Now bubble I just must go waste, I must go join. I don't know. The vibes. You know style, you know dread. In him, jam the calypso, jam the calypso, jam the calypso, boy. Follow me now, jam the calypso, jam the calypso, jam the calypso, boy. Come me say jam it on the right, jam it on the left. No, jam it like a waitress, if you jam it like a chef. No, what about the blind? What about the deaf?
bang den 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 den. Get up in the morning, slaving for bread, sir, so that every mouth can be fed. Get up in the morning, slaving for bread, sir, so that every mouth can be fed. My wife and my kids, they pack up and leave me. Darling, she said I was yours to receive. Oh, bang, 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 me a Israelite. Shirt, them a tear up, trousers are gone. I don't wanna end up like Bonnie and Clyde. Oh, la 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 la, me Israelite. Bang, 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 bang. Pitty pitty bell, get it in, get it in. Ah ah ah. I say get up in the morning, slaving for bread, sir, so that every mouth can be fed. Me Israelite. My wife and my kids, they pack up and leave me. Darling, she said I was yours to receive. Tear up, trousers are gone. I don't wanna end up like Bonnie and Clyde. Me Israelite. Like getting up, Lovers down, there must be a calm. They catch me in the farm, you sound no alarm.
Get up in the morning, slaving for bread, sir, so that every mouth can be fed. Oh, me Israelite. My wife and my kids, they pack up and leave me. Darling, she said I was yours to receive. Oh, me Israelite. Shut them a tear up choices ago. I don't want to end up like Bonnie and Clyde. Oh, me Israelite. After a storm, there must be a calm. If you catch me in the farm, you sound your alarm. Me Israelite.
Jump with the sound in my country and all. Awake from your slumber and answer the call. Did you hear that? Get up, stand up and chat. 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 Get up, stand up and chat.
Know where you have come from to know where you must go. The time has come to reveal our purpose. The time has come to use our bodies not just for pleasure, but to be that light, that beacon of hope.
In our life, say them in our life. 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 Them sit down in Rebecca like a tick span cow. Or we are go shake them, we don't know how. Sometimes we eat and we can't swallow, because them come in like a dark tick skin and we collar. 4,000 years ago, them used to take we as a slave. But we make the slave master of it, they give one grave. In a them your time, you have technology. Them want to use up scientific philosophy. Get up, stand up and chat. 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 Every day them get up in a space shackle. We say them carry chemical and them water buckle. And when them reach in the ears and them start sprinkle. When the rain start fall and the water settle, we say the earth get pollute and we can't grow no fruit. What a terrible thing. Look how them bringing diplomatic killing. I find the whole of them try everything. I know them bringing diplomatic killing. Lord. Some of them black, some of them white, some are hypocrite while some are parasite. Some are do the thing them that me no like. Sit down in me back like a thick span go. How me I go shake them, me don't know how long. In our lives, say them in our lives. Jump it to sound in my country and all awake from your slumber and answer the call. In our lives, say them in our lives. In our lives, say them in our lives. Blue man, well, a girl cry. Well, a girl cry. Mercy, I am bad, mad, and no wicked in the bed. Wicked bad and mad in the bed. I am bad, mad, and no wicked in the bed. Wicked bad and mad in the bed. All of the girls go tell the world that I am wicked in bed. Bad, mad, and no wicked in the. All of the girls go tell the world that I am wicked in bed. Wicked bad and mad in the bed. I am bad, mad, and no wicked in the bed. Wicked bad and mad in the bed. Enough in me bed, me don't want Alfred. Don't want Tony, me don't want Ted. Me not promote mama man, all mama man to dead. Lick a shot in a mama man head. I am bad, mad, and no wicked in the bed. Wicked bad and mad in the bed. I am bad, mad, and no wicked in the bed. Wicked bad and mad in the bed. Enough in me bed, it is fat and mango. With tall ear and sexy leg. Go tell the world I am the girls take a reg. I am bad, mad, and no wicked in the bed. Wicked man and mad in the bed. I am bad, mad, and no wicked in the bed. Wicked man and mad in the bed. All of the girls go tell the world that I am wicked in bed. Wicked man and mad in the bed. When me lay down in my bed, come try me sheet from me toe to me head and pop on me right up on the left me have Megan. Give them the loving and them no stop begging. Inna the morning them look like my sugar. I am bad, mad, and no wicked in the bed. Wicked man and mad in the bed. Bad man and no wicked in the bed. Wicked bad and mad in the bed. Enough in the bed, me don't want Alfred. Don't want Tony, me don't want Ted. Me not promote mama man, all mama man for dead. Bam bam, lick a shot in a mama man head. I am bad, mad, and no wicked in the bed. Wicked man and mad in a. All of the girls go tell the world that I am wicked in bed. Wicked man and mad in a. All of the girls go tell the world that I'm wicked in bed. Wicked man and mad in a bed. I am bad, mad, and no wicked in the bed. Wicked man and mad in a bed. Tell Pamela to come jump up on me bed. Tell Anne Marie if blood on me dive on bed. No Sam jump and reach it up on her head. Don't want Tony, me don't want Ted. Me not promote mama man, all mama man for dead. Bam bam, lick a shot in a mama man head. I am bad, mad, and no wicked in a bed. Wicked man and mad in a bed.
Pupperstock am Mikrofon mit einer politischen Version. Mir fällt überhaupt nicht, was da gerade passiert und schon ja nicht der Ton. Du jeder, wer jeder, oh jeder, für jeder. Ich sag mal Schluss damit nie wieder. Was ist da los? Bitte, was ist da passiert? Ich hör sie alle quatschen, doch ich hab's nicht kapiert. Nee, was ist da los? Bitte, was ist da passiert? Ihr glaubt doch nicht wirklich, wir werden islamisiert, oder? Was ist da los? Bitte, was ist da passiert? Warum sind Ausländer schuld, wenn Politik nicht funktioniert? Nein, was ist da los? Bitte, was ist da passiert? Ich schäme wirklich übel, wenn für jeder marschiert. Ihr sagt, die sind dumm, ich sag medial manipuliert. Ihr denken vom Bildstern und Fokus kastriert. Was soll's ihr glauben, wenn RTL undercover recherchiert? Der Journalist im Interview, Deutschland muss Deutschland skandiert. Der Nazi von heute trägt sein Haar auftopiert. Die Loden wehen im Wind, Glatze wird nicht rasiert. Keine Bomberjacke mehr, die den Bierbauch kaschiert. Mit Turnschuhen nur für Demostiefel werden nicht poliert. Als Nipster maskiert, so wird heute demonstriert. Die Mutti ist dabei und auch der Vater patrouilliert. Dr. Yippie Medizin, bevor die Lage eskaliert. Lass ihn helles Licht aufgehen, damit die Liebe hier regiert. Ei, was ist da los? Bitte, was ist da passiert? Ich hör sie alle quatschen, doch ich hab's nicht kapiert. Nee, was ist da los? Bitte, was ist da passiert? Ihr glaubt doch nicht wirklich, wir werden islamisiert, oder? Was ist da los? Bitte, was ist da passiert? Warum sind Ausländer schuld, wenn Politik nicht funktioniert? Ei, was ist da los? Bitte, was ist da passiert? Ich schäme wirklich übel, wenn für jeder marschiert. Seid doch mal für wat und nicht immer nur dagegen. Wer mit Nazis marschiert, wird bestimmt nicht bewegen. Wenn ein bisschen Action Brustsport soll den Kreislauf andrehen. Macht den Kopf frei, denkt gut, man macht euch ein schönes Leben. Macht euch mal ein schönes Leben. Was ist da los? Bitte, was ist da passiert? Ich hör sie alle quatschen, doch ich hab's nicht kapiert. Nee, was ist da los? Bitte, was ist da passiert? Ihr glaubt doch nicht wirklich, wir werden islamisiert, oder? Was ist da los? Bitte, was ist da passiert? Warum sind Ausländer schuld, wenn Politik nicht funktioniert? Ei, was ist da los? Bitte, was ist da passiert? Ich will echt nicht mehr, dass bei jeder marschiert. Nee. Auf den Bäcker, der am Morgen vor der Sonne aufsteht. Die Frau an der Kasse, die als allerletzte geht. Den Schneider an der Ecke, der mir meine Kleider näht. Den Mann auf dem Bau, der immer ackert bis spät. Den Hauswart, der im Keller neue Lampen dreht. Den Gärtner, der die Blumen gießt und den Rasen mäht. Die Postfrau, die fast täglich kommt mit Plattenpaket. Jede Frau im Kindergarten. Ich geb die Tasse auf die Arbeiterklasse, ey. Ich geb die Tasse auf die Arbeiter, oh oh oi. Ich geb die Tasse auf die Arbeiterklasse, ey. Ich geb die Tasse auf die Arbeiter, komm mit die Tasse auf die Arbeiterklasse, ey. Komm mit die Tasse auf die Arbeiter, oh oh oi. Komm mit die Tasse auf die Arbeiterklasse, ey. Wir stoßen an auf alle Arbeiter. Weil Manager nur quatschen, Politiker viel lügen. Heb ich meine Tasse auf den Fischermann auf Rügen. Auf alle Bauern, die im Trecker-Äcker flügen. Auf die Jungs, die im Blaumann kommen und nicht in Anzügen. Es ist klar, für mich ist jeder Klempner ein Star. Es ist klar, für mich ist jeder Tischler ein Star. Es ist klar, für mich ist jeder Schuster ein Star. Komm. Es ist klar, für mich ist jeder Maurer ein Star. Komm mal zu. Ich sag es euch von fern und ich sag es euch von nah. Ich heb die Tasse hoch von Kiel bis Addis Abeba. Ich heb die Tasse hoch auf jeden Autoschrauber. Ich heb die Tasse hoch auf jeden Busfahrer. Nicht zu vergessen auf jeden Schreiner. Nicht zu vergessen auf jeden Glaser. Spezielle Anfrage an den Elektriker. Eine Liebe und Respekt für die Damen an der Bar. Ich heb die Tasse auf die Arbeiterklasse, ey. Ich heb die Tasse auf die Arbeiter, oh oh oi. Ich heb die Tasse auf die Arbeiterklasse, ey. Ich geb die Tasse auf die Arbeiter, komm mit die Tasse auf die Arbeiterklasse, ey. Komm mit die Tasse auf die Arbeiter, oh oh oi. Komm mit die Tasse auf die Arbeiterklasse, ey. Wir stoßen an auf alle Arbeiter, ey. ich seh Hundekacke da, Hundekacke überall, immer zu das ganze Jahr. Ich seh Haufen neben Haufen, überall lauert Gefahr. Hundekacke an der Sohlen in Berliner Klassiker. Wenn du in der Stadt wohnst, hast du das am Tag einmal. Meist kriegst du das erst mit auf den Fußabtreter. Straßenschokolade, du kennst das Aroma. Mann, es gibt noch Beutel, die sind ganz wunderbar. Kacke rinn ab in den Müll, der Weg ist sauber. Nur Hundebesitzer interessiert sich offenbar. Zu jedem eine gute Sache hat es ja. In Berlin gibt's neue Jobs, Hundekacke Sau, ja. Ich hab schon überlegt, vielleicht bewerbe ich mal da. Ich saug alles auf und bring's zum Hundebesitzer. Ich lese ihm vor die Tür brennendes Papier drüber. Und wenn er austritt, ja, dann lach ich drüber. Mach sie weg, Mama, mach sie weg. Mach sie weg, Mama, mach sie weg. Mach sie weg, Mama, mach sie weg. Mach sie weg, komm, mach die Scheiße weg. Mach sie weg, Mama, mach sie weg. Mach sie weg, Mama, mach sie weg. Mach sie weg, Mama, mach sie weg. Mach sie weg, komm, mach die Scheiße weg. Es gibt ein Ding, das kann ich echt nicht verstehen. Hundekacke überall, nur kein Hund ist zu sehen. Zu viel Kacke auf der Straße, zu viel komm auf Kackideen. Schmeißen Busse in den Park mit Rasierklingen versehen. Du willst wissen, warum die Leute mit dir senken Kopf gehen. Nee, die sind nicht deprimiert, die wollen nur nicht im Haufen stehen. So ist es in Berlin und in Wien und Athen. Zu viel kurz nicht auf ihr Pass, schon hängst du drin aus Versehen. An alle Hundeführer, egal ob groß oder klein. Pack besser Tüten ein, Mann, beim nächsten Runde drehen. An alle Hundeführer, egal ob groß oder klein. Pack besser Tüten ein, Mann, beim nächsten Runde drehen. Macht sie weg, Mama, macht sie weg. Macht sie weg, Mama, macht sie weg. Macht sie weg, Mama, macht sie weg. Macht sie weg, komm, mach die Scheiße weg. Macht sie weg, Mama, macht sie weg. Macht sie weg, Mama, macht sie weg. Macht sie weg, Mama, macht sie weg. Macht sie weg, macht sie weg. Komm, mach die Scheiße weg. Die Scheiße weg.
Die einen haben Kanada voll Streben in der Stadt. Die anderen sind empfangen von den Leben in der Stadt. Die einen können täglich Geld ausgeben in der Stadt. Die anderen haben nicht mal genug zum Leben in der Stadt. Die einen wollen nur raus aus dem Leben in der Stadt. Die anderen wollen nicht raus, nee, die kleben in der Stadt. Und um die Uhr tobt das Leben in der Stadt. Die hast immer Ruhe hier vom Leben in der Stadt. Ich kann jeden Tag was erleben in der Stadt. Meist mach ich mit, so ist das Leben in der Stadt. Leben in der Stadt, so ist das Leben in der
your brow, you shall eat bread. That no means saying you feel greedy. Craving choke puppy dog. Don't be like the dog that loses bone. What is mine is mine. What is yours is yours. Vanity, 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 vanity is not all. Vanity, 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 vanity is not all. So I give thanks and praise every day. I give thanks and praise same way. I give thanks and praise every day. I give thanks and praise same way. Why-yoy, 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 why-yoy. Aha, aha. Oh, Rasta no tell ya, by the sweat of your brow, you shall eat bread. And that no means say you feel greedy. Craving choke puppy dog. Don't be like the dog that loses bone. What is mine is mine. What is yours is yours. Bandit the bandit.
Life without music, Rasta man can't take it, can't refuse it, can't neglect it, just can't reject it. Give me roots, reggae dancehall, and ragamuffin, a soul rock steady, a street the rubber dog. Can you feel it? Feel it coming? Can you hear it? Calling you and me. Music our weapon, only thing we depend on. If you fight against music, then you fight against life. If you fight against life, man, you are going to lose your stripe. Man, you don't know what to do and then you don't know what to listen. Life without music, Rasta man can't take it, can't refuse it, can't neglect it, just can't reject it. Give me roots, reggae dancehall, and ragamuffin, a soul rock steady, a street the rubber dog. When you feel the reggae music, it's the mash up the place. If they love the reggae music, let's get them screw face. Mr. Government man, try hard to repress, but one thing for sure, you can stop the success. A street to reggae music is what the Rasta man play. A reggae music roots and it's the order of the day. No matter what them do and no matter what them say, we love reggae, now go leave reggae. Music is the knowledge, the fire and the power. Your words sound, lightning and thunder. When the music plays, it's like rain shower. Robert Nesta Marley is our loudest weapon. Jacob Killer Miller, Peter Tosh and Humanel, Dennis Brown, Desmond Decker, Agata Killer Bell, Bunny Willa Lee, Perry, Pablo Moses, that you know. Big Youth, LKJ, Bernie Spear and Culture. When you feel the reggae music, it's the mash up the place. If they love the reggae music, let's get them screw face. Mr. Government man, try hard to repress, but one thing for sure, you can stop the success. A street to reggae music is what the Rasta man play. A reggae music roots and it's the order of the day. No matter what them do and no matter what them say, we love reggae, now we leave reggae. Can you hear it? Calling you and me. Can you feel it? Feel it coming? you feel the reggae music, it's the mash up the place. If you love the reggae music, best get them screw face. Mr. Government man, try hard to repress, but one thing for sure, you can stop the success. A street to reggae music is what the Rasta man play. A reggae music rules and it's the order of the day. No matter what them do or no matter what them say, we love reggae, now we leave reggae.
First it was a word and the word was. First it was a word and the word was. Word was, word was. Your voice leads your life. Spoken by action, friction and vibration. Bring peace into your life. I got to thank you for the loving that you're giving to me. Thank you for the loving that you're giving to me every day. Thank you for the loving that you're bringing to me. Thank you for the loving that you're giving to me every day, night and day. Your voice leads your life. Spoken by action, friction and vibration. Bring peace, bring some peace into your life. Through your voice, loving stimulation. I got to thank you for the loving that you're giving to me. Thank you for the loving that you're giving to me every day. I got to thank you for the loving that you're giving to me. Thank you for the loving that you're bringing to me every day, night and day.
So if you're a Canadian and you an Englishman,
or whether you're from God, or whether you're from Rima, if you resided in a jungle, and all this southside crew,
east, west, north and south side crew, respect due to every one of you. So we all gonna jam the same jam. Hey, 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 pretty little bang, we all gonna chant the same chant. Wow, baby, hey, pretty little bang, we all gonna talk the same talk.
So if we argue, fuss and fight, we're giving hypocrites the right to say
that's the right,
that we can't unite.
And that's the right,
we did not fight
in a genocide.
We all gonna sing that same song.
Make it right, the song, we all gonna talk the same talk.
We all gonna jam the same jam.
And we all gonna walk the same walk.
We all gonna chuck the same chuck.
So Jamaican and Englishman, African and every man, and we all gonna jam the same jam. Badly biddly bang, we all gonna talk the same talk. Wow, baby, hey, badly diddly bang, we all gonna walk the same walk. So if you English man, I'm a Chinese man, black man, are you a white man? Make we all come and sing the same song. Hey, hey. Wow.
We all gonna jam the same jam.
Sing it, baby.
Wow. We all gonna chuck the same chuck.
Chuck it, baby. Hey, some say, so if you want a Chinese man, let me say with you, I'm a Indian man. Let me say with you, I'm a black man.
Oh yeah, yeah. I can't believe that it's real. The way that she makes me feel. It's hurting deep down inside, though it's a feeling I cannot hide. She's never been unfaithful to me, so we will always be. She's never been unfaithful to me, as far as I can see. She gave me love in the morning and in the evening too. She gave me love in the morning and in the evening too. She gave me love when I'm lonely, so I've never felt blue. She gave me love when I'm lonely, so I've never felt blue. So ride on, Cassandra, ride on, yes, ride on, ride on. Ride on, Cassandra, ride on, ride on, ride on, yes, oh yes, yeah, push it. I can't believe that it's real, the way that she makes me feel, yeah. It's hurting deep down inside, though it's a feeling I cannot hide. She has never been unfaithful to me, so we will always be. She's never been unfaithful to me, as far as I can see. She gave me love in the morning and in the evening too. She gave me love in the morning and in the evening too. Yes, she gave me love when I'm lonely, so I've never felt blue. She gave me love, but she got my hair. Yes, she gave me love when I'm lonely and in the evening too. She gave me love in the morning and in the evening too. She gave me love when I'm lonely, so I've never felt blue. She gave me love in the morning and in the evening too. So ride on, Cassandra, ride on. Oh yeah.
Me see. Come and say nothing in this world impossible to me. The thief that the lyrics away from me. Say nothing in this world impossible to me. Me floating on the air and me walk and see. Say in a Pegasus you find building tree. Say from building tree you find this spot family. This spot of family to this bitter river sea. A whole heap of pussy. Come and say over the ocean, say over the sea. The whole world gone to take me color TV. But one day, girl, you have to come back to me. She said she gonna bring a bag of mixed candy. She said she gonna bring a bag of class 40. But them your little girl and no one else to me. But when them beg me, man money, they not get no more than $50. Say I'm the mind shop, me say a pair of baggy. But tell her any girl and no picnic for me. But when them beg me, man money, them not get no more than $50. Especially person to all the young girls. Especially person to all the young girls who love the wear up them pants. Especially person to all the young girls who love to wear up them pants. But when you see that, say you don't criticize it. But everyone have them own a little choices. Me say fi wear whatever they choose. Cause Billy man they love to see the girls in all them trousers. Especially the Shelly and Jesus. The Shelly and Jesus. Them just a walk and a wind up them horses. When me see that, say me I get curious. Me have to borrow me granny eyeglasses. Chama they better mind you wanna business. They better mind you wanna business.
Modeling queen. In the morning she a give me steam greens. In the morning she a give me steam greens. Modeling queen. Modeling queen. In the evening she a give me ice cream. In the evening she a give me ice cream. Modeling queen. Modeling queen. In the night she make me watch TV. It's a technicolor TV. Modeling queen. Modeling queen. She bring my baby for me. She bring my baby for me. Tell them about me Magdalene queen. Tell them about me Magdalene queen. Me love me Magdalene queen. Bing ding ding dong ding beda mohoy. Bing 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 dong ding beda mohoy. Bing ding ding dong ding beda mohoy. Bing ding ding dong ding beda mohoy. Modeling queen. Modeling queen. In the morning she give me steam green. In the evening she give me butter bean. In the night.
contribute to what you try